So in this case, they gave you something like this equation. Then what you need to provide now is your answer for S. How do you start? First of all, open all those brackets. Open the bracket. Now you open this. Then before collecting your items. Then now watch how we open the bracket here. We say this bracket now is 2. We say 4 bracket x plus 5 plus bracket x plus 5 bracket minus this bracket. Whenever you see any square root of square root like this, you know that this particular box is 2. So that means we have 2x plus 1. Open under bracket 2x plus 1. That is how it works. Then equals to 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 5 negative 5 is 15. 15. Then plus that your 1 plus your 180 plus your 180. Now you are at this level. Then this you have to open here now. This times this is x squared plus this times this 5x. Then now you are done with x. Then pick 5. Then 5 times x plus 5x. Then 5 times 5 25 plus 25. I hope you are getting what we are doing here. You are getting what we are doing here. Remember your 4 is still here waiting. Then minus 2 times 4, 2 times 2x is equals to 4x squared. 2 times 1 plus 2x times 1 is equals to 2x. Then now you are done with 2x. Then come with 1. 1 times 2x plus 2x. 1 times 1 plus 1 equals to 3x. 3x minus 15x plus 18x. In this case now, you will say 3x plus, why is it plus? Now you are going to have your this thing, 15 plus 15 minus 80, 180. Then 180 minus this 15 now, you are going to have 10 out of here 70, 5 out of 70, you are going to have 65. You get it? 65. Then we are going to have 165. You are going to have 165. So in this case, we are going to wipe here so that you will see where we come from. So in this case now, we have to add the items, collect items here. We have to collect our items here, then add it together, then open it with this so that we can get everything in intact. Then we have our 4 bracket x squared, x squared plus x squared plus 5x plus 5x is 10x, 10x, then plus 25 plus normal 25 over the bracket minus 4x, 4x squared, s squared, then 2x plus 2x is 4x plus 4x, then plus 1 plus 1, then reaching here we have equals to 3x, 3x plus 165, 165. Then here we have to open this bracket by this 4 so that we can move on with what we want. Then we have 4 times x squared is 4x squared, 4 times 10 plus 40x plus 40x, 4 times 25, 4 times 25 is 100 plus 100, then minus 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 equals to 3x plus 165. So in this case, what you need to do now is to collect your like terms from here. Collect your like terms from here. How do you collect like terms? Because you have your negative sign here. Remember, you have your negative sign. The negative sign will come here. Everything here will minus everything here. Then before we equate to this side, then now minus this is here. Here now is going to minus this because this is the minus sign. Minus this. You have 0 for that side. Minus 4. 4x. Because here now is 0. This minus 4x because they are like terms. Then we have 36x. Remember, 100 is 100 is a 100 is on its own. Then you have to say 100 minus 1 here. You have 90. You have plus 99 equals to 3x plus 165. So I hope it is getting to the clearer side. So here now you have arrived to where you will equate the both sides to know what you have as your answer. So now collect, you are still collecting your like terms. 36x is here, 99 is here, uh, equals to 3x plus 165. Now carry this 3x to come with 36x. That's 36x minus 3x equals to 165 minus 99. So in this case, we are having 36x minus 3x will give you 33x equals to 1 1 1 160 165 minus 99. You have 66. So now to get your x, because they said you should get your x, now what you have to do is to divide the both sides by the coefficient of that x. Divided by the coefficient of x, now you have 33x divided by 33 equals to 66 divided by 33. So in this case, you're having this like this. X now equals to 33, 66 divided by 33 also. So 66 divided by 33 is 2. So now your S is 2. Just follow it the way we started before. Follow it small, small. Then you will understand where we arrived. This is how to solve it. Very simple. Follow us for more. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section so that we can still tackle it.